Hello and welcome back to the channel for Everyday Light. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we are going to talk about this neat little air conditioning unit, and it is the AHQ06LYC model, and it's made by GE. It's a small window air conditioning unit for rooms up to 250 square feet. And it's perfect for this room because this room is about 12 feet by 15. And so if you had approximately a 15 by 15 nice little room, then this is an excellent air conditioner unit. Okay, so this is the model, and we're gonna turn it on here. And there's a couple different settings, so I usually just have this on low for the fan speed. You got the mode, cool, fan, or eco, and the delay on or off, and then the temperature controls are down here. And it usually takes like 10 or 15 seconds for the compressor to kick in. So when you initially start it up, you'll just hear the fan, and I usually have it on cool for the mode. So essentially, if you have it on cool, the fan and the compressor will run, and when it reaches the desired room temperature, then the compressor will stop, but the fan keeps running. If you have it on eco, then when the room reaches the desired temperature, then the fan and the compressor will stop. So, and then you have just the fan there. I usually just have it on cool because it's been hot. This filter is the filter that the manual says needs to be changed every 30 days, but we've only had it, I think, a couple weeks, so still looks pretty clean. So says you can basically just wash it out. So as far as the assembly, it was pretty easy to set up. Yeah, nothing too wild. Just had to screw these in. But before we do that, these little slots, they slide in. So like this part here like slides down, and then you gotta connect these, and then it expands into the window, and then you just basically set that in and screw it in here, and it's nice and stable. So it's been a pretty good unit. It's pretty quiet. When we were debating purchasing this one, we just wanted one that was pretty cost effective. So is either between this or the LG one, and this one had some pretty good reviews that said it was pretty quiet. The LG one, it was a toss-up, but we like this one. It's pretty quiet, and it cools the room pretty quickly, so I just leave it on low if it's a hot day. So, and another thing that attracted me to this unit, well, actually, that I read after I had purchased it was there were a couple people in the reviews that said basically they didn't even really notice a difference in their monthly power bill. So that's a plus. So I guess we'll get to see in a few weeks, I guess, if our energy bill has been affected really. But that was kind of neat knowing that it doesn't take too much of a draw on that. So at first, when we got the unit, we did see this, like, there's this styrofoam, or this kind of looks like packaging styrofoam in the back, but from what I researched, it's supposed to be like that, and it's just part of the unit, so it's not supposed to be toxic or anything. Obviously, they wouldn't put that in there. But at first I was like, hey, are we supposed to remove this or what? So, but no, it's been a pretty good unit. I'm glad we got this one instead of the LG, because when I looked at the reviews for the LG, there were some people that said it was having some other issues. So, yeah, this is a good unit, and I hope this video helps you. Let's see if we, that's the medium, that's the high. So even the high isn't really that loud. But like I said, I just leave it on low, and it goes all the way down to 64, so. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if it helped you, please give it a like and subscribe. If you have questions about the setup, just leave them down in the comments below. I know there was a pretty good video on the setup as well that we watched when we were putting it in. It's also on YouTube, so that could probably help. But I just wanted to make this just because it's a pretty good window air conditioning unit for a small room, and obviously you wouldn't want to use this for like a big living room or something, but it's been pretty good, and if anything changes I'll leave a comment, but so far so good, and I hope you have a blessed day, and we'll see you next time.